It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello, and welcome back to Nana's Cooking and Craft Corner, and on this video we are going to make this delicious salsa dip. So please, let's get started. I lined a 10 by 14 pan with aluminum tin foil so nothing sticks to it and it's easy to clean. You just throw it in the garbage. And I have two bricks of Philadelphia cream cheese. Take the soft cream cheese and spread it all over the tin. Alright, so we're going to slather on that salsa. Yum! Now this, I'm going to put it all, the ingredients are going to be listed down below in the box, but this is a mild salsa I like using. I mean, I like some spice, but this is for everybody. If you like it a little spicy, then change the salsa to a mild or hot. But I particularly like medium with this, because you got a sweetness in it. Alright, there we got all the salsa. Let me make sure you're not missing nothing. And I'm going to get that put to the side. And then there's some more good stuff coming. I'm going to take this cheese and put it all down here. This is cheddar cheese. Oh, I love cheese. That's why I'm nice and thin. Cheese. Woohoo! Cheese. Cheese, please. Let's see. Of course, for little kids out there, make sure you wash your hands. I already did off camera. Just so you know. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to put the tomatoes on here nice all over. Don't miss a spot, because when you take the little chip dip, you want to make sure you get a little bite. And we got the last thing here. A little bit of green onions all over the place. Oh, this smells so good. It's too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Yum. All right, guess what? Some people don't like testing on camera. I do. I'm so excited. I can't live without it. I'm about to lose my mind because I love this dip. Anyways, what? Here we go. Give it a shot. Let's see. It's falling apart. Oh, is it ever good? You got to give this a thumb up and try it. Yummy. Oh, it's ever good. Anyways, on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe out. And again, like I said, the recipe will be listed down below for all these ingredients, but you really need to try it. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, take care.